Alrighty, so here we are underneath the Yukon. I hope you guys can see it. This hose here is the one we're going to be working on. Now, for anyone doing this at home, be forewarned, there is a lot of coolant in this and possibly dust. Just because I can't open my eyes does not mean everybody else can. Remember, your peepers are important. Now, what you're going to need for this to make it really easy, hey there, Tom Tom, it's a little shop line, is an extension, 1/4 inch drive, a ratchet, and around an 8mm socket. Hey buddy, just climbing on top of my chest, huh? Oh goodness. I have a stowaway on my stomach on this creeper. That's a new one. Hi there, Tom Tom. Now, you gotta reach up in here between all the pulleys. Oh. He's just gonna lay down on my stomach, I guess. That's adorable. And up in here, the other thing you can usually use is a flat blade. And this has got the crimp on. Not crimp on, it's the spring-loaded hose clamps that are factory. I have never had a cat chill out on my chest while I'm working underneath the vehicle. I gotta figure out how to get my hand up in here. It's a kind of a tight fit. This one's the 4-wheel drive. I'm probably gonna have to get that from the top. I don't know. See if I can pull it down. Nope. I will be back. I gotta go grab pliers. There you go, buddy. Cute cat. Make sure when you got your vehicle jacked up, you got it up on jack stands or something. I got mine up on a creeper at the moment. It'll be fine for what I'm doing. Oh goodness, it's all nice down. Man, it feels better under the cover. It's 1,000 degrees in the direct sunlight. You know, I just realized something. I could probably put that cat inside. Come here, Tom Tom. Because animals will smell the antifreeze and believe that it is a sugary food. And it will kill them. So I'm going to carry him inside. Be forewarned, antifreeze is a very dangerous liquid to consume. It does something similar to arsenic. It puts crystals in your bloodstream and in your kidneys and all your organs. It ain't too good. Pliers. Alrighty. I'll show you this hose clamp when I get it out of here. I'm actually going to have to get this one from the top. But you'll see how much coolant will come out of this thing. It's not even full, and yet it's still going to be a lot. I have an oversized radiator on this. It's a, I think it's a 4-core. I don't know. It's about twice what it came factory with. This is from a 3500 box truck. Warning, these hose clamps, these crimp ones, or spring ones, they hurt. And they're a pain in the butt. Here it comes. My camera is not getting wet. As you can see though, it's a lot. Oh, it's a long ways up here. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like how this thing's up on these Ford lift kit. Yeah. It looks good. I'll show you why I had to replace this hose when I get it out of here. Back under I go. Yippee. About took a ride on my creeper. Step on that thing the wrong way. Don't be doing this and you're going to town best. I'll tell you that. Because you will ruin them. Oh, and these are never in a good location. See what I'm saying? right down in my armpit. Wonder if this radiator has a petcock on it. That'd be convenient. One of the things that makes this difficult is this radiator is much wider than factory. I guess they really did put a Pitman arm at Farley. Well, it would appear that's got to come out on top. Oh, I am gross. Yeah, you want to try and get that all the way in your armpit and running down your side in your shirt. That's how you know you're doing it right. And it will make you feel very greasy and oily. That's gross. I'm gonna move you guys. Alrighty. Got you guys in a different spot here. Let me grab my tools that I'll need. Because why would I have grabbed those? Got them on my creeper over here. Socket. Really cool trick for you. This is an old hose clamp here. And if you notice, the socket fits it, and these new ones I got here, it also fits. Another thing that really helps is a lot of them are the same size. Fits out too. If you have any silicone jewelry, now would be a good time to take it off too, because this can ruin it. Oh goodness. Long ways up here. Hope I don't have to take off this fan. That would blow. And make sure you get yourself in the neck with that thing. A swivel on this. I've got tranny cooler lines and everything else in the way. Well, I gotta do what I didn't want to do. But it's gotta happen. These fans have got to come off. Man, that's a lot of work. Great. Do I really need that hose? I guess. Yes, I do. Maybe if I can just pull the fans out of the way enough. I believe these are a 10. Yeah, it's not like sizes really matter to me. Does it fit? That's the does it shit part. It's weird, it's got a 1/4 to 3/8 adapter, but not a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. And it's got nothing to 3/8 in there. I didn't need that. I guess I'm gonna have to get back to y'all. I gotta figure out what I'm doing here.